welcome back to Igniter Garage. As you guys seen, if you watch my live stream on Instagram or even on Facebook, we sold the RB. We're no longer running RB, and I don't know if I'll be doing the turbo engine for a while. But what I have got is that we will be putting a 5.3 LM7 into the drift car. It's a LS1 LM7. They're almost the same thing. It's just this thing's got a cast iron block and it's got aluminum heads. So that's the plan for right now, is to put that in. I think I'm gonna run the truck intake, but I just wanted to do a quick little video. I know it's really quick, but hey, a video is a video. I've got to upload. I got some other stuff going on today that I'll film for the next episode. But yeah, I'm going to be redoing the drift car. I want to repaint it. Let me know what color you guys think. I think I'm going to do a turquoise in here, turquoise engine bay, and a purple body. So that's the plan for today. Well, the plans for today, which you guys will see on the next episode, because I know I don't want to combine multiple things, because the next one's going to be a how to convert a pickup truck engine to fit in the drift car. So other things we're going to do is get new seats, get some better seat belts. I've got my buddy, I've got a good friend of mine, Dan. He's going to come help me do this. So he's going to do majority of the heavy stuff, like lifting. I've got the engine stand, or engine crane here, that's going to help it too. But a lot of the stuff that we're going to be doing, me and Dan, it's going to help my drifting. I want to be able to push it so I can start doing competitions. I'd love to do competitions and just go from there. I'm probably going to end up redoing the tubing, because this tube right here, I want to cut that, because the rad's going to be tilted. Probably tilt it down like that. But yeah, stay tuned for better stuff on the drift car. The fiance's drift car, the BMW, is going to get these seats. I'm going to put those seats that are in the S13, I'm going to put those into her car, at least so she can get it this summer. This weekend's going to be a busy weekend. I'm going to go pick up the transmission this weekend. Me and my mom are going to go for a little road trip to get that, because I don't feel like driving. And hopefully, buddy I'm buying a transmission from can lift it into the truck, or into the car, sorry. Because I'm not lifting it. I don't plan on it. But yeah, just this is just going to be drift car future, the future of the drift car. I'm excited. I've got to get some new coilovers. It's going to be it's going to be a beast. By the time I'm done with it, me and Dan, it's going to be a sweet car. So I hope you guys stay tuned. Check it out. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to try, I told Dan I want to film him. He doesn't care. So yeah, it's going to be awesome. He's going to do a lot of the work for me. So it's going to be me and him now. Me, him, and my fiance. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys on the next one. So enjoy. Later, guys.